This really is perhaps one of the most important moments in history. I think it ranks up with 1860 and 1932 as such a transformational moment. And as a transformational moment, it presents real opportunities for major change. Well, I'm Tom Daschle. I'm heading up the Transition Office for Health Reform today. We are beginning the process of reaching out to all of the country in an effort to try to better understand what concerns people have, how they think we ought to fix our healthcare system, and the kind of information that ultimately we're going to have to share with members of Congress as well as the new administration. Well, I'm very honored that the President-elect has asked me to be the Secretary of Health and Human Services as well as to direct the Office for Health Reform in the White House. It's a combination that I think ultimately will put us in a position to move meaningful, comprehensive healthcare reform through the Congress beginning early next year. Well, we have invited people from all over the country to participate in community discussions in their homes, in their places of business, in community town halls, in an effort to give us their ideas for how they think we ought to fix our healthcare system. We've talked a lot about personal experiences. Now we want to move to the next level. We want people to share with us what ideas they have that might improve the system from their own experiences, from ideas that others have shared with them. But the idea is really to put the best list of proposals together, ideas that all the way from prevention to hospital care to chronic care management, we want people to express themselves, and that's what these discussions will be all about. Well, transparency is so key because if we're going to do this right, it's going to mean we have to involve the American people. We have to involve people who have personal stories to tell, who have ideas to share, who have real experiences that they can relate to. That is in the essence of good legislating. It's really what the President-elect did through his entire campaign, making sure we had the inclusion and the involvement of the people. That's what we're going to be doing in this process, through dialogue, through the media, through as many different ways for communicating as we can think of.